God. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a little something with Carbon Bargain. They're a steering wheel and carbon fiber interior company, actually even exterior parts for usually Fords, but they do Dodge, Chevy, anything. I'll leave their little link below, but we got a special package and I'm going to show you right now. So a special package here, Carbon Bargain. Not going to show that just yet. Also got a package right here, but let's step over here really quick and look at the Mustang. It's a little filthy right now. Still haven't got it ceramic coated just yet, but we got a factory steering wheel. It's white leather stitched, or not white leather, white stitching with the white up top here, and suede all around with leather down below here. Currently sitting at 902 miles. So definitely been driving this thing, trying to get some miles on it. But I love this suede steering wheel. It's just these like to wear out really fast, and Carbon Bargain actually sent me something. We're gonna open it up in just a second. Before I show you guys that, I got a package here from my salesman that sold me my GT500. Robbie actually gifted me, as you've seen, a car cover. So it's a nice grayish silver car cover for the GT500. I've been using a car cover off my Camaro, like a super cottony soft car cover off my Camaro. I got this nice weather, gotta rip this off, but I got this nice weather all season cover. I'm gonna toss on there. Appreciate it, Robbie. So got that. I'm gonna put that in the trunk and open up my next package here. So here we go. Open this up. I don't know what this little cone is. Oh, the steering wheel's in here. So it's a carbon fiber steering wheel. We got it opened here. We can already see the nice carbon in there. Man. Nice white leather, not white leather, I keep saying that. White stitched in here. Nice carbon fiber down here. Oh, that's gonna look really good. Let me get in the car and check this out really quick. Man, look at the difference here. It's gonna be right here soon. I decided to do the red up top here because I wanted to kind of match. So when it's up here, you kind of see the red in the paint over there. I put the white there because it has white marks everywhere. White in the seats, another door there, white down here. That's why I decided to do the white stitching to kind of match all the other stitching. I could have done red, but I figured it'll look a little bit different. See, there's white stitching right here too. Matches the white stitching down here. So I'll throw that on, and has a nice carbon fiber here. Since my car, they didn't give me, or at least my salesman didn't tell me that I could order this all in carbon, or I would have. I believe Carbon Bargain does make a part for this, but I have not ordered that just yet. So I didn't get the carbon here, so I figured I'd at least get a carbon fiber steering wheel, which looks super awesome with a flat bottom. You know, it resembles the flat bottom on the current steering wheel. It's not too big of a flat bottom. So I'm gonna head right now to a buddy's shop. My buddy TJ, who installed my airbags on my truck, is actually gonna help me install this today. He also wanted to check out the Mustang, so I figured I'd kill two birds with one stone, swing over there, get it installed. So let's head to his shop and get it installed. My buddy's shop is in Flat Rock, and I'm driving by, and look what I see here. This is exactly where my GT500 was built, right here. Look how many GT500s there are. One, there's a blue one, there's a white one back there. Here's more. They probably think this is supposed to be here. Look at this. GT500, 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 GT350? Yeah. GT500. Another GT500 right there. Let me get out and take a video really quick. I actually came to take a video of these cars because this is exactly where my car was about a month ago.
Why, you sending it back or something?
No, I just came to check it out. because I waited like 9 months for this car, and it sat here for about a month. This is Flat Rock, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No, this is Carlton.
Carlton?
The Flat Rock one is a different spot.
Okay. Well, I mean, this is, it was either here or there, either or. What is it, how many is there? There's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, go ahead, open it. 7. There's a race red one right there. There's another black one. No, it's stock. Only has 1,000 miles. I've had it for like 3 weeks. And I've only had it for a few. It's crazy. There's so many here. Dude over here is saying these cars are all auction cars for Mannheim. Yeah, but how is there like 20 of them if it's all auction? There's no way they're all in Michigan.
These are all auction cars. Everything in here is auction cars.
I mean, they do look used. You can see. Wow. The dude back there owns like an auto used car lot. Sells pretty sweet cars. We were talking a little bit about all the GT500s here in the parking lot. And I kind of figured when I was pulling in, you can kind of see here, it says Mannheim Auctions or Mannheim Detroit. Mannheim's a auction, you know, they sell a bunch of cars. I just didn't expect them to have, you know, 15, 20 new GT500s in the lot like that. I've never been to this area. You know, I look at Mannheim auctions all the time and Copart and all that, and I was just shocked to see that. We were just talking a little bit about C8s and stuff like that. He was saying those cars are used, and looking at it, you know, the brakes, they had brake dust everywhere, so it kind of did look used. Crazy part is those cars will probably still sell 5,000 to 10,000 over the sticker value price. As I told you guys in one of my previous videos, you know, these cars are going over sticker right now. But it's crazy. Super nice guy though. We talked for a few minutes. I'm about 10 minutes late to beat TJ at the shop, but definitely worth the conversation and pulling in there. Got to my buddy TJ's place. Let's get the steering wheel installed. We got both the steering wheels here side by side. Got to take off all the little bezel trims, all the little buttons and stuff, paddle shifters on the back. You can see this one's plain because it's meant to switch everything over. So all the little plastics back here, all that's getting switched over. Pretty much everything's getting switched over, but you can see the difference here. Not too big of a difference, but carbon fiber, about the same exact size too. And it has the red on top there versus the white. All I could say is, dang, man, this thing looks sweet. So much more aggressive, yet not too much going on with the steering wheel. Like, it's just the right amount. The red matches the red in the car. The carbon fiber down here, not too much going on. I know they make the nice strips over here for the RPM strips, but I have the RPM down there. I don't find a reason to put one up here. Personally, that's not my type of thing. I like a clean look. This, to me, is the perfect look. Perfect flat bottom here, perfect grip, not too big on the grips on the side. Huge shout out to Carbon Bargain. They got some sweet steering wheels. I'll put their link down below. Also, big shout out to my buddy TJ for getting this steering wheel installed last minute. Called me and I was like, hey, or I called him, I'm like, hey, I need a steering wheel installed. Could have done it myself. He's like, swing on by, let's get it done for you. So got it done. If you guys need anything, I'll put his info down below. It's TJ's Custom Works. Besides that, man, this steering wheel is something else. I like it. Very clean look. Besides that, it's pretty much gonna head off the video here, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, you guys like the steering wheel, give the video a like. If you guys want to see more, comment down below. Follow me on Instagram. It's @Sinister_lifestyle. Follow my vinyl wrap page. It's Haven Wraps. I'll leave it down below as well. Besides that, I'm out of here. Give the video a like and subscribe. Almost there. miles. 1,000 miles on my GT500 in less than a month.